Welcome back to the channel. First of all, click on Start Lab, and if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now the first thing what you need to do, just come to task number 1, right click over here and open incognito window. Now from here, just click on this copy option, click on Google. Now for the credentials, come to the lab instruction, paste it, hit enter. Just follow as I'm doing because one mistake most of you may make. Now just click on I understand. This is also done. Now we have to make a copy. First of all, click on continue, allow. Now the AppSheet app is ready. Okay. Now click on this copy option, and for the name, come to the lab instruction. From here, just copy the name carefully. Okay, copy the name carefully and just copy up. Now, if you check the score for task number 1, you'll get the score without any issue. Now from task number 2, copy this name carefully. Copy this name carefully. Make sure there is no full stop. Right click over here in this link. Open in a new tab, incognito window. Now make a copy. Now just update the name over here. Okay, and just click on anywhere else. If you get this kind of pop-up, just click on got it, and just click on anywhere else. If you check the score for this particular task, you'll get the score without any issue. Now coming to the next step, come over here, click on this. Now from here, the contact sheet is there, just click on it. Now do one thing. In the description box, I've shared one file. Okay, you have to download it. That too in normal window. Do not open in incognito window. The window where your Google account is signed in, you have to open that sheet. And simply what you need to do, you need to just click on this file, download, and just download it like this. Once you download it, the file will be looking like this. You have to simply drag and drop, or you can simply do one thing. Let me just show you a quick demo. Okay, just come over here to the incognito page. Just remove this unwanted pop-up, remove it, click on this file, import, upload. Now what file we have downloaded just now, we have to upload it over here. You can just drag and drop too. Let me just do it. Okay, let me just do it, drag and drop. So here we are coming, and here again, just drag it. Now just click on replace spreadsheet. Okay, make sure all these settings are enabled. Just click on import data. Now come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. You can clearly see how simple it is and how easily we got the score. So do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Complete solution guide is live on the channel. Do check it out.